Dare hiss at me? You dare hiss at me?
Beat me now.
I should beat you?
Yes.
Because you know I don't beat women. Because you know I don't touch women. You.
Please.
Let the counselor come and end.
Yes,
everything.
let that come. Let's end this whole drama. Please.
Because you think you're fine. I made you who you are.
Please.
I know how much I've spent on you.
I am a full option.
Bitter option.
Full option.
Rubbish.
Sweet option.
Look at
that you have been enjoying.
Who?
You've been licking.
What did I enjoy?
You did not complain.
I did not enjoy anything.
This pattern since
You forced me to this. Food, you don't want to. Just to eat good food in the house is a problem.
I did not come to this life to come and suffer. Please. I said, let me just see the counselor. All the things you are saying, I don't need.
I met different types of women before I decided to marry you. You are faking it from the onset. Okay, why were you looking for me from the very beginning? You have been deceiving me from the onset. When I first met you, do you know what you did? You gave me one nice food to eat. I didn't know you went to buy the food. Now, I come and cook now.
But you ate it now. And you have been managing in case you didn't.
No more front seat for you.
See this one.
Front seat is not your portion again. I've removed you from front seat.
Mr. Solomon, see, your mates, they are there buying G-Wagon. Their wives are sitting at the front seat. You are here with your Corolla, big Corona, and you are telling me, no more front seats for you.
But if
you're telling me I will
that has cars will come out, I will come out.
Will you come out?
I will come out.
You are not ashamed.
Have you not been enjoying the front seat?
Your ancestors should
Yes
be
or
ashamed
no?
for you now. They should
Rubbish.
be ashamed for you.
Rubbish.
With your pregnant self that you have been carrying since. Go and deliver these spiritual children you are carrying. I'm not managing you again. I am done managing
If you know the number of ladies, soft girls that want to rub this tummy, maybe you understand.
Please go and give
I am
birth
their
to the
sugar
children you have
daddy.
been carrying.
What are you telling me?
Go and give birth to the
You don't
children
know
you are
anything.
carrying. What is it? Did I get married to a fighter?
Did not do anything. I will not give you peace. I will not give you peace.
You cannot. You don't have my peace.
I will
There is
not
no
give you
peace for the
peace in this
wicked. There is no peace for the wicked. You.
This thing is not going to work. Forget it. You think you are fine.
It has ended.
There are fine girls out
You
there.
see the person that
Look at
manages.
you.
You don't see peace.
You cannot find a man like me.
You no go see peace.
You,
that you're carrying up.
Do you know how many girls I want to rub this
They
pregnancy?
should come and rub it because I am tired. I would look for somebody better than you.
What do you mean?
Without this stuff, I would look for somebody better
No
than you.
man can be compared to me. What are you
Mr.
saying?
Solomon.
Counselor, good day, Daddy. So sorry for that. Don't mind this woman want to frustrate me.
Please, both of you should reduce your voice. Okay? This is my workplace. It's my office.
If you know what I've been going through in this marriage,
What have you been going through?
I have suffered in this marriage. This woman. It's not going better for you.
It no go better for
It's
you.
not going
It
you.
no go better for you too.
Counselor, just, I don't want to marry again.
Mr. Solomon.
It's because I'm just looking at you. It's your face I'm looking at. I'm just, this man.
You said you're tired.
I'm tired.
She's also angry at you.
Exactly.
And you are tired.
Exactly.
Mr. Solomon,
Counselor,
you're also tired.
I am very tired. I am more tired of his tired. I am more tired than he's tired.
So, you want to end the marriage?
Exactly.
Yes, that's what we want.
That is what I want. If she doesn't like it too, it's her own.
That's the English.
Don't want.
Why won't I like it? Why won't I like it? That's what we want, Counselor.
Mr. Solomon,
I am tired of this man.
have you tried another man?
Okay.
Counselor, you are not normal. You are not normal. Something is wrong with your head. You asking my wife if she has tried another man. They will try you. They will try you.
Are you sure they have not tried that?
Baby,
My love.
take the car key. You will drive while I sit in the front seat.
But Mr. Solomon,
But kill you there.
Hey,